Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn to make our own functions by using def. DEF, short form for define. So define function defines our own function. So basically it helps us make our own function. For example, def hello brackets. So we have named a function hello which will, for example, print hello. So now this def function, so this hello function will print hello. Now you need to keep some things in mind before making functions. Whenever we want the function which we made to print, like to run, we need to call it first. We need to type its name first. So for example, I'm making an input name. Now what will this do is it will take input user's name, and after the user has given his name, we will run the function hello, which we have defined above. So let's run it. So it is asking for a name, for example Tom, and then hello. So this is how uh, def function works. And now we can see more examples. For example, I want to make a function which squares the square which takes out the square of a number. So I will name the function square, and inside the brackets I can also write a variable. For example, I am writing x here. Now what should this square function do? This should return x into x. So now we have made a function square, and variable is x, and what this function will do, it will return the x value to be x into x. Now if we want to print something, like if now we will call the value of square, then only it will print. Now for I in range, for example, the numbers I want the square of numbers till 10 to be printed. And if you want to learn loops, for is a loop, and if you want to learn while and for loops, you can check my previous video. And now I want to print I in the range of 10. Like I want to do the squares of the numbers till 10. So now I will do it like print f. So f is here formatted string. So formatted string will work like this. For example, this is the square of curly brackets. Sorry, I curly brackets, and inside curly brackets I. Sorry, we can write here as the square of curly brackets I is curly brackets the square, and we will do the square of I. So now what happened? Formatted strings are like concatenating. It's like we use curly brackets instead of plus sign. So the square of I, the whatever the value of I would be here, is the square of whatever the square would be. So it will, now let's run it. So here The square of 0 is 0, the square of 1 is 1, and so on until the square of 9 is 81. If we want the square till 10, we will write 11 here, and then again square of 0 is 1, 0 is 0, and so on until the square of 10 is 100. So this is how defining functions work, and these can be very helpful in making games and any other things like making games, apps, etc. So this is this much for today. If you liked my video, please give a like, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding. Bye.